To check Android version, in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap About Phone. Tap Software Information. You can see Android version here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.